Hey, you guys. It is your favorite psychic life coach, Mirsky, back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Share this off to somebody else so they can get this knowledge. And let's just get into this video. So you guys, basically, if you don't already know, I do videos on the subconscious mind where we talk about reprogramming your mindset to inhabit better habits for yourself and ascend to a higher vibration. So you guys, in this video, I wanted to talk about what is meant for you is meant for you. And when you continuously stay in alignment and maintain alignment with that, it is always going to come to you. What is meant for you is meant for you. And this just goes to boil down to when people feel like they don't trust in the universe and trust in the process, you are denying what is meant for you. Because I had this talk with somebody in my life who was basically talking about what's meant for you is meant for you. And when you just trust and surrender, that is aligning you to the vibration of allowing and being receptive to what the universe and what your divine and what your subconscious and what your soul already knows what is meant for you in this lifetime. If you are meant to be, and if you say this and then you subconsciously know this and you already feel within your being, you are meant to be this rich, lavish motherfucking person. I don't know, whatever. I'm just using for an example. Then it's meant for you. And you continuously stay in alignment and maintain that vibration and you allow that to happen. So what you'll do is you'll have certain thoughts, and these thoughts will have a vibrational frequency that will just keep you in that pattern or that reality or that way of living, because everything is energy. And so whatever frequency you're riding on, baby, that's what you're attracting in your reality. So if you want to attract things that is meant for you, then start seeing that within your reality. Start seeing that within your mind. Start speaking that into existence. Start thinking that into existence. Start feeling it and everything that resonates with that. And when you're in alignment, everything just happens naturally. So if it's meant for you, you can call on whatever is meant for you. Basically, whatever your soul speaks, whatever is meant for you, you know. And when you start to stand more into your power and stand more into your divinative truth, you start to call on things that are meant for you because your soul knows. So you like, even if it's a person, you know, they're meant for you. You say that shit. So what are you doing? What are you doing? You're aligning yourself to that vibration of a high frequency relationship with the person. You're aligning yourself to a high frequency vibration with the relationship with yourself. Self-love, love for the other person, genuinity, all of that. That comes with knowing what's meant for you. You aligning to that highest vibrational thing so you can attract that in the way that it's really meant for you to come in. You wouldn't want no half-ass baked thing or whatever. You know what I mean? If it's in the oven, let it fucking bake. Let it simmer. Trust that the process is working. Let that shit do what it do. If you are trusting what's meant for you and if you trust in yourself, you'll know that it's already to come. So we've been placed here already knowing what our soul wants. It's just about us tapping into ourself. It's just about us getting to our true North Node or true. I don't know why I wanted to say North Node, but our sense of self. And that comes with really going within every moment. You know what I mean? And when you're going within, you unlock the power of you. You unlock the power of God. You activate that. You activate what you already have. Just like if you were starting to meditate and balance out your chakras, you're activating that within yourself. You're activating that sense of you standing into this power of attraction, of allowing things that are divine within your reality. You know what I mean? And I got this topic to do this from a tarot card. I said, what should I do the topic on? I will pull a card and see. And the moon card came out. And that made me think of destiny, intuition, feeling deep within and knowing that your inner world is a reflection of your outer world. Because the moon reveals all the things that are within. It's hidden. It's like hidden. It's behind the veil. And if you know anything about the moon, it's just dark. So, you know, that's your shadow side. And that's the other part. That's the other aspect of yourself that is within. So if you're diving within to find out things, it will be more easier for you to know what's meant for you. You know what I mean? When you go within, You find out, what does my soul really want? How can I listen to my intuition? How can I follow my divine inner guidance? Because all of that starts within. You can't, nothing is external from you. Nothing that you're looking at is really outside of you. Everything that you're looking at, everything that is a sign, all of that is created from you. It's created from you. Always. And that's what's meant for you to be the divine creator of your reality. Standing in that and co-creating with the universe and with yourself and with everything else. With God. Whatever God is to you. God is you. God is the universe. God is whatever. And when you start to stand in that and know your truth, things just become way more easier for you to maintain alignment and bring in those desires effortlessly. And it's okay to have desires. It's perfectly fine. If anybody tells you it's wrong to have desires or whatever, fuck them. Because let me tell you something. If you know what resonates with your spirit, that's perfectly fine. Whatever you say, it's meant for you to say. It's meant for you to feel. It's meant for all of that. What's meant for you is meant for you. And I know what the fuck is meant for me, bitch. So I'm calling that shit in my motherfucking reality. So that's just that. You know? But be love and be kind to yourself. And if you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much for supporting me. I love all the support that I receive. I love every single last one of you guys that watch my video and share it and subscribe and just smack the bell, bitch. Like, simple as that. Because y'all are dope. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much. Peace.